come on in, welcome to my home. Today I am finally cleaning out my closet. Okay, but we have to go back and I have to tell you a few things about my closet which are really important. One, you'll notice that there's not a closet door on my closet. Did it come with a closet door? Yes. The problem is, with these condos, most of the heat just is really weird. If you really want to keep the master bedroom warm, you need to keep the closet door open. However, the closet door would then make you close the door to the bedroom. And that also helps get some heat. So I just took the door off, put this curtain in here, which I change out every once in a while, and it really does keep the room either warm in the winter or cool in the summer. Because if not, the closet is nice and warm, or the closet is nice and cool, and then the rest of the place is, well, sort of iffy. Next problem is I don't have a lot of storage space because this place is really small. So the closet also has to act as a storage space for not only my clothes, but also for the extra things that I have no place to put them. Of course, I do my seasonal things, and if I forget to put something away during, after that season, it ends up in the closet, which I know it shouldn't. But it does, so there's that, and then also there are things which just have no home. Like electronic stuff that I want to keep, can't put that out in my garage. I can put it in my closet because I don't have, like, a horrible amount of clothing, but I do have some clothing, and you've seen just about all of it. I will talk about my systems that I use to make sure that I actually wear the clothing that I have. But I do have things in my closet that really, really don't need to be there. And I've made room in other places, and I've been checking around to see if there are other places I can put stuff. But yeah, we need to clean this out and get it going. So first thing I need to do is empty out my closet. One thing to remember is I do not agree with the whole if you have not if you have not used it in 2 years, get rid of it, because I do have a suit jacket, or just a jacket, sport coat, I don't know, that I call it my Marion and Berrien jacket, along with my Marion and Berrien shirt. I think the last time I wore it was October 20th to a wedding, maybe 2 years ago. Not going to wear it anytime soon. However, getting rid of it would then mean the next time I need to have a jacket, I'd have to buy one. That would make no sense whatsoever. So don't just get rid of something because you haven't used it. Think about the fact that, are you really going to use it again? And yes, if I need to go someplace, I don't want to spend, what's a cheap jacket? I haven't bought a jacket in so long. If I buy a cheap jacket, I don't want to do that. I have a jacket. It's fine. It works, so getting rid of it doesn't make sense. So don't get rid of things which you really do know that you're going to use. Yeah. And don't get rid of things that you actually do use. You notice I have a lot of my bears stored in my closet. I rotate through those with the season. It would make no sense to get rid of these things because I actually do like them and I do use them, put them out as decorations. So yeah, but some of the stuff that's in there really can go. Well, let's get started. Okay, one of the things which I do have to do is as I empty out my closet, I can't put everything in one spot. So my clothing items will go into my bedroom, and my items which aren't clothing will come out here into my office. And I'll put those on the table as I empty things out, so that way I can sort through them. Okay, so the closet is now, as you can hear, pretty empty, except for some hangers, and there's that light back there. Now I'm going to clean it out and then go through all the stuff so I can put it back. The clothes are going to be really easy because I've arranged the clothes in a way that I know what I've worn, and I wear just about all of it because I rotate through it. We'll talk a little bit about that a little bit later. But right now, we've got to clean this so that I can put things back. Okay, so even though that looks like a giant mound of clothes on my bed, this isn't going to be that hard, because A, a lot of them don't go, and what does go, I don't wear. So I mean, this is really easy. When it gets into the stuff, that's going to be a little bit more difficult, but I'm going to go through the clothes first, because that should be the easiest thing to do. One of the things to remember is, the times that I have the nice shirts and everything, the only time I wear those usually is when I'm doing these YouTube videos. Most of the other times, I'm just wearing t-shirt, hoodie, sweatpants because, well, I'm, at home. But when I do go out, I do wear those. When I do the videos, I do wear those ties. We're going to go through and get rid of some of the ties, because some of the ties now I absolutely hate. But let's go through that. This should be pretty quick. And as I'm doing that, I'm actually going to put them away, because they have places. As you've seen, I have my clothes divided off with my t-shirts and sweatpants on one side, my other pants on the other side. Other pants, that makes no sense, but my pants on the other side, simply because, well, that's easier. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I should say, once again, the trash bag that I'm using, it's just what I have. I don't have boxes, so that's what I'm actually putting in the clothes that we're going to take for donation. Just so you know, I'm not throwing them away. One of the things you will notice is that all of my shirts and pants have hang tags on them. They have the size right on them, because as I'm losing weight, I need to know what size it is, so that way I can tell which things I can get rid of, which things I will be getting it back into. And yeah, I am losing weight, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now we are in the living room where I put all the other stuff, and it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the things which I know go someplace else. They have a home. It's more like the seasonal stuff that just didn't get back to their home. So that goes first. While I'm going through the seasonal stuff and putting it back, I'm going to throw away things that I absolutely do not want or need anymore. Okay, so the closet is done, and I like it. And yes, I could have gone, let's make it all pretty and everything, but it's still a closet. That's sort of, I might move things around, but I have way more space, and you're saying, you must have gotten rid of a ton of stuff, and my answer is no. I actually just put stuff where it actually had homes. So yeah, it was just in my closet, just because it was convenient, it was easy. I didn't put it away when I should have. But yeah, it's done. Tons of space left, and I mean absolutely tons of space left. You did notice that I did shove things into my dresser drawer, because I will be going through my dresser pretty soon. You'll get to see that. But everything which is in there now, really, I want to keep in there. It's just, there's just so much more room, because things did go back to where it was. Now, to be fair and to be honest, the stuff which is going to go out for Valentine's Day, which I don't really remember when this video goes up, is on my dining room table right now, because I think sometime later on this week I will be setting up for Valentine's Day, or February. It's not just Valentine's Day, it's February, because, well, when we do that, we'll talk about why I don't really set up for Valentine's Day, but all that stuff is not in there, and 99% of the stuff which is on that table does not go back in there. It actually has a home in the garage, but that's a whole nother issue. But that was really sort of simple, and like I said, going through the clothes, I wear everything in there. I don't have one of those, hey, I don't wear this stuff. Now, the things which were in the big plastic bag are clothes that as I'm losing weight, I'm getting back into, so the bigger clothes will go away, the smaller clothes will come out. But hey, that's really cool, and it wasn't that hard. Simply because what it is sometimes we think that we need to get rid of a whole lot of stuff, but we don't. We just need to put it in its actual home. And all of these things had actual homes. It's just when you get busy and you don't put things away, they live wherever you put them for quite a while, I might add. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see just the speed version of this, that will be coming out sometime soon, where I don't explain what I'm doing, I just do it. And so that's always a fun thing, because hopefully that will inspire you to go ahead and do it. I know this has been a long video, because it took me about 4 hours to do this total. Yeah, that was a long time. But it is all done. I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.